Okay, so these power supplies did come with their own power cables. Very standard. So just take them out, but yeah, the regular power cord. I purchased the 1-foot power supply, so I'm just going to take those and plug them in so you can see. Okay, very similar. Just put those into the power supply themselves. Alright. Keeps wanting to slide out because I have the whole rack up at like an angle just so I can better see things. Okay, and then the second power supply. Let's see, so here's the little 1-footers that I'm using. I'm not sure what's going to happen now. I had a shelf that fit the 7U and it doesn't fit anymore, so it might just be another part in the server graveyard, server parts graveyard, but I'd like to use it if I can, so we'll see what comes together. But the first thing is, you know, if the shelf's 7 inches long, I don't think these 1-foot power supplies will work anymore. So we're just trying to keep the cabling down to you know, as minimal as possible. I actually think it'd be better to do it this way. I think I kind of messed up. Let's take them both out. Put this one in here. We'll put that one there. And this one here. Okay, good. So 2 minutes to plug in a power cord, but I think these will be out of the way now, and yeah, we got our power supply set up. It's good.